So recently, we visited the Taj Mahal Tower in Mumbai. And the first thing you encounter here is the scenic view of Arabian Sea at the gateway of India. And then comes this beautiful historic heritage property, the Taj Mahal Palace, and then the Taj Mahal Tower. This hotel has 246 rooms and around 20 restaurants. As soon as you enter the hotel, this beautifully decorated lobby welcomes you, where you can complete your check-in formalities. And here we are ready to go to our rooms. This is the lift giving the perfect heritage feel to the visitors. We booked a deluxe room with a sea view. Our room was located on the 19th floor, and the interiors and decor was really classy and minimalistic. The best part of having this room is the panoramic view of Arabian Sea and Gateway of India. After that, we had our dinner in the room and decided to take a walk. As soon as we got down, there was this amazing walk through the gallery to the other side of the lobby. It was really like a heritage walk, showcasing the renowned guests who have visited the hotel previously. Everything in this lobby is thoughtfully curated, and each piece of art truly engages your attention. So here, our first day of stay ended with a happy note. This is the next morning, and it really feels great to wake up to this view. This hotel was started in 1973 and was designed by Melton Becker. Becker incorporated Indian design elements like these Tanjore pillars from the south and arched balconies from 14th century imperial Rajasthan. For the lunch, We really had a unique experience at the Golden Dragon restaurant. Though it was a little heavy on our budget, but the experience was worth. So here, bidding adieu to this iconic hotel, the Taj Mahal Palace, with this beautiful view of the Arabian Sea. See you.